my peeps. How's everyone going out there? Janine here again, rocking it out for us over 40s. Yes, I am. So I thought I would do another quick look. What am I wearing today? Bodysuit, white jeans, fit jeans. Ooh. Ooh, I'm working on that guts, guys. I'm working on it. I'm getting there. I'm reaching my goals. Freaking finally. But I've got to go to work, so I just felt like it. I felt like doing something for you guys and just showing you another quick update. I put my serums on. This video is not going to be long. I use the Thankyou and SK2. So I am going to just quickly put on the creams very fast. So I thought I'd show you guys this one. It's a new Medicate. Well, it's not new. It's new to me. Clarity Peptides. So I'm going to put that on. Remember, I've already done those essences. So as you can see, my hair's nearly about to dry up, so let's get that done. So I've run out of my Kerastase Oleo Curl. I'm waiting for some more to come. The couriers are crazy. I think everyone knows that. So I'm going to use the Briogeo Curl Charisma, and it's a gel. I used it the other day. Actually, to be honest, I'm not used to gels. My trusty Joico Joy Whip. I love this stuff. I love this stuff, guys. You have to get it. I've been using this for the last, how old am I? I'd say, feels like 20 years. It's probably less. I don't even know if it came out then. Oh. Time. Woo! You know what? That gel feels nice. I'm not used to gel, but I love trying new stuff out. You'll see that on this journey. Okay guys, so here's done. So let's get a bit more. I'm gonna use that Retinate one. And I'm going to use my Touch of Silk again today. Love this stuff because it's so light. It's just so light in that, especially for daytime. So my new secret weapon, I've shown you guys before. Other videos. Oh, the fan. Dry off that face cream really quickly, you know. What do you think of my skin? I am so tired this morning. I should just go back to sleep. What do you think of my eyelashes anyway? I've actually got eyelashes now. I was wearing eyelash extensions for the last like 5 years, and when the COVID thing happened and the lockdown, we're all at home, I just thought, nah, boom, boom, boom. Took them all out, and you know, you have nothing. You look like a monster actually. And I just couldn't be bothered after that. And I've been using that Lash. And it's been great. I mean, I used it years ago and I thought it didn't work. But it has been awesome this time. So we shall see how it goes. But yeah, I like it. I'm going to use my Lumiere foundation, soft fluid long wear foundation. I'm in Buff, the shade Buff. Perfect shade for me. Hourglass, shade Sienna. Let's get that on. Pretty. Brush that in. Use your beauty blender. Push that in. Okay, spot conceal time, guys. Benefit Boing, still loving us. It's good. Good for me. Thin brush. I am in a rush for work, so let's do this. Fluffy brush. Better hurry. Today we're going to use that Tom Ford Arabesque. I love this palette. You know, it's had a lot of hate on the internet. I don't know why. I think it's gorgeous. Apparently no one likes the formula, but I do. That's all that matters, is that I do. So I love this palette. Let's get that one on. Transition. Let's go for the pink, eh? You're going to use your MAC 242S for these because they are metallics. So let's go for it. Wipe your brush off and let's get in there with this lovely gold. Love, love, love gold. Wipe your brush off. We're going to put some more of that on. To me, I need more intensity. So let's get in there. Corners, this one. I mean, you don't have to do this. You can leave it, but I like to. It gives my little eyes a little elongation effect. I love it. Ooh. Just grab a fluffy brush with nothing on it. You can actually go on a bit more with this white one, that's what I like to do. Just to clean those edges up. Shouldn't have actually done that. I shouldn't have actually done that. You will see. Always loved it. It's amazing. Let's hit that lower lash line, eh? So let's go on with that. It's actually a shimmering brown, if you could say that. Give yourselves a little mini wing while you're at it. MAC 242 again, just very quickly. I mean, you can tidy up under there. I'm going to go with some of that gold because I really love it. Yeah. Great. Tidy up where you need to. Little bit of fallout there. Bit of glitter, but you know, that's all good for me. Let's hit that in a corner, eh? Let's go gold. Okay, bronzer time, guys. So I'm in a rush as usual. I'm making myself late. So I'm going to use my beautiful Natasha Denona Tan Bronzing Glow palette. It's amazing, 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 amazing. I'm going to use this for both my bronzer and highlighter. Look at those. Looky, look. Love her stuff. I love it. So let's get into that. So in this palette, you've got like a cream. It's like a shimmer cream, which we're going to just put for our highlight here. So you just pat it on. Now, you've got to be careful of this stuff, eh? Oh my gosh, I haven't powdered, which is great. Oh, put it on my pores. The super glides are amazing, so let's get that on. Then you've got your bronzer there, and then you have a mean highlighter. Look how well used this palette is. I mean, I've really gone to town on it. As I said, I forgot to put powder on. Let's get that Linda Hallberg and our Charlotte. Okay, Tom Ford Emotion Proof Black. Actually, the shade is called Dominator. I love it. Little special one, Tom Ford. It's a beautiful gold one, and this one is called Gigolo. They stay. You've got to try these. Let's go for some blush. Now I've just bought the new MAC ones. Love MAC blushes. This is called Grand. Nice natural. They're not intense like those NARS, unfortunately. Hey. I'm in a rush, so I'm going to use my Charlotte Brow Lift Supermodel. Okay, setting spray, guys. Close. Quick mascara, and then I gotta go. Ooh. Make extended plate. And for my lipstick, guys, I'm just gonna wear a nude. Pat McGrath Donatella. Little bit light for me. Let's fucking scrape that. Lipstick today, guys. I'm gonna wear the Kevin Aquan Gloss Titanium. Let's check this. Titanium. Woo! Oh my gosh. I need a little bit of that. Yeah, that's sweet. And I will tidy up my hairline actually with that Colour Well. The Colour Well. So it's like a, you know, hair, that mascara. I usually do this when my hair is dry, but I am in a rush. I'm out. Which is fine, and that's all I've got time for, so I will check yous later. Hope you guys like that look. Yes, very blingy. Why not, right? That's how we do's it, guys. That's how we do's it. Rocking it out, guys. Rocking it out. So, yeah, that's us. My new white jeans. Ooh, you know, I'm doing it. Getting those goals, guys. Do those goals. Almost forgot, guys. Perfume time. So today I'm going to wear the Tom Ford Black Orchid. Oh, legendary. Oh, love it. And put it in your hair. Have a lovely day. Catch you later. Hello, my peeps. Janine here again. I thought I would just to show you guys that look. I have time to like and show you guys at home because I'm really gotta get to work. But ooh, there it goes. I'm glowing. Not too sure about the lip gloss today, guys. It's okay, we can always change that. It can be changed. So hope everyone out there has a lovely day. Rocking it out for us over 40s. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day and keep positive. Too many negative things going on in the world. We've got to focus, keep focused. Have a great day at work, whatever you guys are doing. Give this eye look a go. Oh yeah, okay. Good day.